Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste text from any error box pop-up showing on your Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8. It doesn't matter which Windows you're currently running, right? So if you have a pop-up of any error on your computer and you're like, oh, I need to check out what is this error, how I can fix it or whatever, and you need to copy the text, just go ahead and just simply open up the snipping tool on your computer. So you want to click the Windows key on your keyboard or taskbar and simply type in snip, and you will find this snipping tool here right here in Windows. Now once you open up this application, you'll be able to take a screenshot of the error message. As you can see, I take a screenshot of that error message and just simply save that. Right now, once you have the image readily available to you, how do you capture or get the text from that? Very easy. You want to go ahead and open up, for example, your Google Chrome, and once you open up Google Chrome, you're going to go to google.com. That's the important thing. Go to google.com and you will have this little picture box here in the search field. So towards the right hand side, you have a little camera. You click on the camera, and here you need to upload the image. So we want to go ahead and find that image in your wherever you save it. As you can see here in downloads, I have the image that I have saved, and just simple go ahead and drag that image here. And what's gonna happen, guys, you will see that once you upload the image, it immediately start to show like a bracket right around the image, and you can easily go ahead and copy the text. So if you over the text, you can see that you can do something like this and easily copy the text. Once you highlight the text, directly from that you can simply click copy and you have the text. Now to show you that I have the text copied, if I simply open up a new window here and simply press Ctrl V, you see I have the text directly from that error message. So it's very easy to do. Use a screen pressor, whichever tool you have. You can easily find screen pressor here within Windows. If you don't have that on your computer, I'm sure you can be able to find it as well. For example, in the Microsoft Store. So if you have anything like screen pressor or snipping tool, you can simply go ahead and find something like that. So if I type in snipping tool, you should be able to find, for example, snipping tool here on the Microsoft Store. So you can easily go ahead and download it and install it on your computer. So you can find it on your Microsoft Store. You can look for something like a screensaver, a screen capture or something. So you have snipping tool here, you have another one here called screen snip tool or something like that. Download something here from the store that you can easily go ahead and take a snapshot or a screenshot, right? You can simply go ahead and do that. You can type in screenshot or something like that. Screenshot. Let's go ahead and search for that, and you'll find quite a lot of tools. Here you have another one. Here have a bunch of different tools that you can use to take a screenshot. Snipping tool as well. So take something, download something that allows you to be able to take a screenshot, take screenshot of that error message and save it on your computer. Then go to Google and just simply click on the search by image option, and it will pop up just like this, and it will give you the opportunity to copy the text. As you can see here, I can simply highlight the text so I want, press Ctrl C or copy, and then you can search for the error message and you can look it up. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.